In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make MrBeast thumbnails with AI. We're going to use an online tool called Thumb Magic, which streamlines the process of building bold, high-contrast thumbnails that pop in the YouTube feed. I'll walk you through each step, share why it matters, and give you simple tips to get that signature, high-energy style. First, head to Thumb Magic in your browser. A desktop or laptop works best because you will have more room to see your layout. Once the page loads, you'll land on the thumbnail generator. If you're asked to sign in, do that quickly so your progress is saved. Next, click Create Thumbnail. This opens a new project where all the options are organized for speed. From here, choose YouTube as your platform. That automatically sets the correct 16:9 aspect ratio and ensures your design stays within the safe areas, so important faces and text don't get cropped on different devices. Now, in the link field, type in a MrBeast YouTube link. Use a public video link so the tool can pull context like title cues, color hints, and visual style. This helps the AI understand the vibe you're aiming for: bright backgrounds, expressive faces, and strong contrast. If the link isn't recognized, double check that it's the full URL. Click Process Video. The tool will analyze the link and prep the project. This can take a moment as it sets up suggestions tailored to YouTube's thumbnail best practices. When the templates appear, choose one that matches the energetic look you want. For a MrBeast-inspired feel, lean toward layouts with big, clear focal points, bold color blocks, and space for a large face. If you plan to include text, keep it ultra short, 1 to 3 words, and make sure it's readable at a glance. You'll see options for the subject image. Click on Default Avatar or Create Avatar. The default avatar is a quick way to drop in a character-style subject, while creating an avatar lets you personalize the main figure. Aim for expressive emotions, strong lighting, and a clean cutout. Big eyes, open mouth reactions, and directional lighting help add punch and clarity even at small sizes. Finally, click Generate Thumbnails. It might take several minutes. Let it run to completion. The system will produce multiple variations you can compare. Look for clear faces, strong contrast between subject and background, and minimal high-impact text. That's how you achieve that scroll-stopping look. And that's it. With Thumb Magic and a few thoughtful choices, you'll have AI-generated thumbnails that capture the high-energy style audience